Hey there mga my love, spicy! So yan ang content natin ngayon na salamin natin kung ano ba yung mga major turn-ons ninyo sa mga energies around you guys. But before that, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan, welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support na binibigay niyo po sa akin. So, we do not have any gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will, okay? So kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. The link is down sa ating description box, no? Kaya kung interesado rin kayong tumambay dyan, please just take only what resonates, guys, and see you there! So yun nga, alamin na natin rito, Pisces, ano ba yung mga turn-ons ninyo according dito sa mga energies na mahahagip natin. So kahit sino ito, ano, basta yung mga major turn-ons daw, ninyo according to them. So let's go ahead and check this out for you, my Piscean people. Archangel Michael, together with the angels and spirit guides, marami pong salamat for being present here in this reading. This is for my Piscean people. This is for Pisces. Tell me something. Ano po yung mga major turn-ons according to this energy surrounding Pisces? Can you please show me mga major turn-ons daw ni Pisces according to this main energy surrounding kay Pisces? So, maaaring ito yung mga madalas mo nakakasalamuha, Pisces. Friends, family, special person, boyfriend, girlfriend. If you're married, could be your husband or your wife. Let's see. Okay, halo-halo nito. Mekos-mekos. Mekos-mekos. So, alamin natin dito, Pisces, kung ano ba yung mga major turn-ons mo. So, we have here this Queen of Coins energy from my Pisces. We also have here the Temperance energy, the Ace of Wands, Justice energy, Ace of Swords. So, you've got two aces, Seven of Wands, Empress, wow, King of Cups, whoa, okay, King of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, okay. Meron kayong nakilala? Kailan lang? Meron ako nakikita dito energy ng nakilala ninyo kailan lang. Okay, pwedeng sa party, birthday yan. Birthday yan. Birthday yan. Yan, no? Or gathering of people. Pwedeng event, seminar, yan. So, kung sino man siya, I think this is someone here new. Kakakilala niya lang sa inyo. Pero yung iba sa inyo, parang hindi niyo siya kilala. So, this is someone here who could be a stranger. No? But this person here finds you really attractive na parang gusto niya rito mag-offer agad ng something sa'yo. And it is something here that's serious, ha? Seryoso siya rito. So, I think this person here finds you very, maganda na agad yung first impression niya sa'yo, no? Parang ang tingin niya kasi sa'yo, parang naseksihan siya sa katalinuhan mo. So, hindi ko alam kung narinig ka lang ba niyang magsalita or meron ka ditong specific na bagay na sinabi na that person finds you really intelligent, smart, and at the same time, sexy. Yeah, so someone here finds you smart and sexy according to this new energy looking at, yeah, from a distance. And I think, yeah, marami naman sa inyo, hindi nyo to kilala, pero this person here, you got his or her attention. Very drawn to you. This person is claiming that you're sexy and you are intelligent and smart ka daw. Smart, smart, okay? So, yun nakita ko rito, Pisces, no? Aside from that, I think this is your person here naman. Okay? I do see that sinasabi niya rito na kaya mo mag-adjust accordingly. So, parang sinasabi niya no, na kung may pamilya na kayo, kung may anak kayo nitong person na to, baka married kayo or baka kayo ay hindi married pero meron kayong anak, no, or family kayo nitong person na to. Nakikita ko ito na parang despite na magkakaiba yung mga ugali nyo daw, okay, parang kayang-kaya mong i-manage, no, ipagbuklod-buklod kayong lahat, no, parang kaya mo rito na i-handle yung pagpapamilya or yung pamilya ninyong dalawa. So, I think this is your partner here or maybe wala pa kayong family pero alam niya na agad na kaya mong i-handle yung situation because you are doing great right here at parang magaling ka raw doon sa trabaho man at pati rito sa relationship or sa family ninyo, no, magiging maayos ka raw at magiging responsableng nanay or haligi ng tahanan in the future. So this is definitely here someone who loves the King of Cups energy, and this person here is seeing the future only with you. Yeah, you are very responsible individual daw, and this person finds it na isa sa mga turn on mo is yung kaya mo ritong i-handle ang lahat ng situation, no, nang hindi ka nagpa-panic because you are the Empress, no? You are the Empress energy. Yan. Ito naman, nakita ko rito na someone here finds you na hindi ka raw yung parang klase ng energy na madaling manghusga nang walang pinagbabasihan. So, ikaw to na klase ng energy na very balanced ka, no? Very balanced ka right here, no? At ikaw ito na parang, kunyari, kung ito man ay office-related things, bago bago mo husgahan ng isang person or bago mo sabihin yung iyong opinion, no, pinapakinggan mo muna yung both sides. No? Parang ganito, ay nako, nagnakaw yan. Nagnakaw yan. Alam kong nagnakaw yan, no? And then parang yung iba, talagang pala naman siya magnanakaw pala yan, blah, 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 blah. Yan, no? Iba ganun na yung paniniwala agad, no? While ikaw, you wanna hear out, no? Yung side rin ng other person na tinutuligsa, no? Example lang yung mga babes, no? Bago ka maniwala, no? And you are someone here na you gather evidences and proofs first before making your verdict or making your final decision. At alam mo, hindi ka naman kailangan maging lawyer or what, pero iba maaring lawyer ang inyo ritong tinapos na kurso, baka trabaho ninyo ngayon, or baka na nag-aaral kayo, meron kayong unit kung saan naging interesado kayo with law, no? Pero doesn't have to be. But there's someone here seeing you that you are not biased, and that's very good, no? Major turn on nyo raw yun. So maybe that is your boss or kasamahan sa trabaho, could be your coworker or your colleague, but maybe this is a friend naman to some of you. Hindi ka naniniwala sa mga sabi-sabi, no? At saka hindi ka madaling kumampi, no? Wala kang kinakampihan at pinapanigan. Yan. So, may libro dyan, major turn-ons mo rin daw yung pagkakaroon mo ng sarili mong space at pagkakaroon mo rito ng privacy sa iyong life, no? Hinahangaan ka nila, no, kung sino man itong mga energies na to, hinahangaan nila kapag ka ikaw ay hindi nagiging open about your love life, hindi mo sinasabi yung mga nangyayari about your love life or about your personal life, no? These people here respect that sa inyo. Iba kasi, di ba pag sobrang saya, you tend to get excited, no, na ikwento ito sa, alam mo ba, friend? Yan, no? So, ikaw ito, na parang nirespeto ka ng mga tao na to, no, na you keep your privacy sa'yo, no? Sa self mo, private life, private sa love, no? Especially if you are someone here na nasa social media, maybe you have a TikTok account, or maybe you are an influencer, no? Social media influencer. Maybe you also have here as well YT or YouTube channel, no? So whatever that is, I think you are a very private person and people admires na hindi ka nagkikwento about your life, okay? And they envy you, no? Naiinggit sila sa'yo dito. Parang, bakit, paano mo kayang gawin yon, Pisces? Na itago yung private life mo despite of you being open with the public about your job. So, you are being professional, no? So, yun yung nakikita ko dito. So, yung professionalism is talagang nasa-separate mo, no, from your personal life. Yan. People admire that sa inyo. That is one of your major turn-ons according to these people. Okay? So, aside from that, no, pagdating sa mga klase rito ng parang project or maybe at assigned tasks or work, no? Ikaw ba to that you give your best, no? Ace of Wands energy, always give your best to that, no? You show your creativity side. You do everything to make it successful para magkaroon ng positibong outcome, no? And this person here, I think, baka one of your colleagues to, yung parang ikaw yung gusto nilang kapartner or kagrupo lagi, no? Pag may groupings. Hindi ikaw yung taga-ambag lang ng pansit canton, kundi ikaw yung talagang isa sa mga brain ng grupo. No, so nakita ko dito that you are someone here who give your passion and effort in whatever it is that you want to achieve na magkaroon ng success. Yan. So nakita ko rin dito, no, na meron din dito nag-a-admire kasi ikaw yung mga nagsasalita ka na mga sinasabi mo mga may laman, very informative ka daw, and these people here finds you reliable. Kapag ka sa'yo nanggaling yung information, alam nilang legit. Like let's say, pinaniniwalaan ka nila kasi never ka pa nagsabi ng lie. Yan. Or maybe this is you, kapag ka nagsalita ka, you really keep your promise and you really make it happen. Yan. So, nakikita nila dito sa'yo. Very truthful ka raw, Pisces, and they admire that sa inyo. At kapani-paniwala ka, very reliable source ka daw. So, di ba sa iba, no, pag may mga blind items, no, pag hindi nang galing sa'yo yung blind item na yun, no, ibig sabihin din nila yung paniniwalaan. Pero pag nanggaling sa'yo, alam nila na totoo yun at legit. Very informative ka daw at lahat ng sinasabi mo may sense at may laman. So, maliban din daw dyan, Pisces, no? Someone here finds na isa sa mga major turn-ons mo daw ay this is you. No? Hindi ka defensive in an obvious way, but you are someone here who act very calmly, kalmado ka lang, no? But you always make sure na mafi-fix mo yung situation right here ng sarili mong pinag-isipang desisyon, strategy. Yeah, no? So you always have a plan. Okay? If plan A will not work, then you will go for plan B. You always have a plan. And I think kapag kami situation na hindi na ayon rito, ikaw to na parang to the rescue, laging sumasalo rito. And for some reason, other people finds it like a miracle na, oh, na-save ni Pisces yung situation na yun from being dumped. Yan, no? So, it could be a work-related or finance-related thing to some of you, but for others, it could be a situation dealing with family issues. So, maybe family member yung nagsasalita or nagko-compliment sa inyo rito, no? To others of you guys. Wow. Okay? And Pisces is a very hardworking person. Parang itong mga energy na to no, is nakikita kong gaano ka rito. Doesn't have to be na workaholic, pero yung iba, yes. Pero dito nakita ko rito na ina-admire mo yung work mo. You love what you do. You love your job. You love your work. You love yung iyong way of earning a living. And I'm seeing that this is you, even though na nagiging unti-unti ka nang nagiging successful, kasi yung iba nakita ko dito na may na-promote na, yung iba naman baka hindi pa pero mapopromote pa lang. Yan 'no, nakikitaan na nila rito sa'yo 'no, na talagang may capability ka talaga to do that, to make it happen. But at the same time, ang pinakakinakakahangaan nila sa'yo ay ang pagiging stay grounded mo at very humble na individual. Even though umaangat ang posisyon mo 'no, hindi lumalaki yung ulo mo. So I think this is the people right here na puwedeng mga ka-level mo yung kanilang status or designation position diyan sa company before. Pero once you level up or once you step up, okay? Or na-promote ka rito or whatever Pisces, you still remains the same. You are not someone here na being boastful of what you're gonna have. But this is you. Your feet is still on the ground. And the connection with those people right here, yeah. If it's a call for work or kailangan ng trabaho rito, no, um you're not bragging here your walls off, no? But being professional pa rin. But when it comes to your relationship with these people, you still remain the same, no? Hindi kayong, o tawagin niyo akong boss kasi boss na ako ngayon, You still remain grounded and humble. These people like you for being that, no? And these people will see you eventually as their future model para mas magsumikap pa sa kanilang buhay or mas pagandahin pa ang kanilang life here, no? Ikaw ay isang perfect example daw, Pisces, no? Na ang lahat ng mga pinaghihirapan kahit mabagal ay magbubunga at magiging matagal rito ang pakikinabangan ninyo sa ganyang klase ng aspeto, no? So, simulan ninyo sa pag-isip dito ng positibong mindset at tuloy-tuloy lang dito. Pisces, may mga taong nakasuporta sa inyo rito. No? By the way, I think this is your lover right here, no? Meron ako nakikita sa energy niya rito. Meron daw siyang parang sorpresa. Actually, no, wala talaga yun dito dahil ang content natin has something to do with knowing, okay, kung ano yung mga major turn-ons ninyo. Pero I think maybe Pisces like surprises, no? baka this time sila naman yung magsusurpresa sa'yo rito, 'no. I think this is your lover, your boyfriend, girlfriend, or someone na magiging officially in relationship na kayong dalawa or baka bago-bago pa lang kayo, just take how this resonates. Someone here will surprise you and this is something here that you do not see coming. But whatever surprise is this is something here that will make that kurot sa iyong heart, 'no? Like kikiligin ka dito, mata-touch ka, yun yung right word, 'no? Mata-touch ka there. So, it's time for you to receive the surprise now kasi maaaring yung iba sa inyo kayo yung nagpapa-surprise talaga here. But now, it's time for you to be surprised naman. So, yun nga, ito yung mga mensahe na nakuha natin here. Ito yung mga major turn-ons niyo according to these people surrounding you, guys. And, oh, may pahabol dito mga babes, no? Your parents pala are proud of you. I'm getting that type of energy. Your parents, may nakita ko dito specifically but doesn't have to be resonating to all. Your parents may age gap sila, no? Medyo malaki. So, whatever the case may be, maybe that's one of the sign and clues, no, ng nag-resonate dito sa reading na to. But just take how this resonates. No? Your parents are proud of you. Okay? And masaya sila sa mga achievements mo rito. Nakasuporta lang sila palagi sa'yo. So, tuloy-tuloy lang daw, Pisces, no? Your parents are really proud of you and keep on doing what you're doing daw. So, yeah, thank you so much, Pisces, and sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong!